is the interactive robot dog toy. Here are the product features of this robot dog toy. This robot dog will automatically perform a series of motions to attract your attention every 5 seconds, and these robot dogs can act like a real dog. This interactive robot dog toy can trigger random actions and sound when you touch its chin and will keep your child entertained. With the built-in music and dance moves, this intelligent RC robot dog toy will make your kids feel the rhythm of the music. This robot dog with integrated 3 infrared sensors which can automatically search and follow the infrared signal of the remote control. This is an interactive robot dog toy.